Alright. Well, listen. You're gonna guess a country with alphabet letter. If I say name a country that start with S, you're gonna name a country that start with S. And you got 5 seconds.
Wait.
If you miss, you eliminate. No, I'm gonna mix it randomly. I'm gonna mix it. Yeah. No. Okay. No. If I do that, it's easy for you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna mix it. Alright, you ready? You boy first. Name a country that start with K.
Kenya.
Yes. You in. Abdul Qadir. Name a country that start with W. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you out. It don't matter.
No.
Yes, country with W.
I know.
Yeah, what's it?
Wales.
Yeah! You out. Yes. Omar. Yeah, listen. Name a country that start with X.
Huh? X.
Okay, wait. Okay, hold on. Alright, let's go. Name a country that start with Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You out. Alright.
Let's go.
Name a country that start with. Name a country that start with B.
Oh yeah.
Brazil. Yes, you in. That was easy, Brazil. Name a country that start with D. Dominican Republic. Yes. Yeah, make a line. Omar, you out. More you in. Yeah, you got it. Name a country that start with F.
France.
Yes.
Oh, come on.
When you ask them a question, you have to put the mic so they can.
Okay. Last. Name a country that start with Z.
Zimbabwe.
Yes, sir.
So, Omar, you out. All right. Second round.
You know how it works. You gotta say one.
Wait. All right. No. That's. Name a country that start with. We C.
5, 4, 3.
Kenya.
1.
See, Kenya. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Ibo, you out. Yeah.
Czech Republic.
Name a country.
Czech Republic. I said.
Okay.
No.
I'm gonna start again. I'm gonna start a different one. You got time to think. I'm gonna start a different one.
Oh man, that's great.
Name a country that start with H.
H. Hungary.
All right.
Hungary.
Name a country that start with E.
E. England.
Name a country that start with S.
S. Senegal.
Name a country that start with S. Senegal is already mentioned.
He's out.
You out. No. Berat, you out. Yeah. You out. He already answered. You out. Yeah, E-boy. You out. Get move. Mama. Move.
It's him now.
Name a country that start with L as in love.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's easy, bro.
What is it? What's it? Get out of here. You already eliminated. You got no right to talk. You got no. All right. The final three. I'm gonna be behind you. You can look back. Suleiman. Name a country that start with I.
Island.
All right. Mo.
It's a land. It's not a country.
Is it?
Iceland.
Yeah. And you can name Iceland anymore.
I can, yeah.
Yeah. Modu, name a country. Listen. Name a country that start with N.
And Netherlands.
All right. Gaku. Name a country that start with G, but it can be country you are born and raised.
Ghana.
All right. Perfect. Say.
But you tell me, you born and raised. Ghana, why Ghana? Why are you saying that? That's it. It's easy,
Wait. All right. Suleiman, you are almost out of here. Name a country that start with L. You can mention Luxembourg.
I can mention. Wait. I can mention Luxembourg, but here it
It's
is.
out. No. No. We mentioned that already. We start again. Name a country. You can mention Luxembourg because Omar already said it. With L.
Lorime.
Huh? Not even. 3, 2, 1. Letonia, you out.
Libya, what the fuck?
Liberia, Libya. All right, the final two. Before we go, how confident are you that you're gonna win?
Of course I'm gonna win. 100%.
100%? You think you can beat Modu?
99.
99? All right, let's get it.
Final.
Name a country that start with K.
Kenya.
Kenya is already mentioned.
5, 4, 3, 2.
You got Kazakhstan. You got Kuwait. You out. All right. Name a country that start with F.
France.
France is mentioned.
Finland.
Finland is mentioned.
5,
Finland. France.
Somebody mentioned foreign Finland.
2, 1.
I don't know. I'm
All right. Another round. Both of you. Another round. Yeah, another round. All right. Let's go. Name a country that start with H.
Holland.
Holland.
I said Netherlands.
All right. No.
Nah. I said Netherlands.
He's hungry. All right.
Come on, boy.
You got one more chance. You got one more. Yeah, he got it. No, he got it.
No, just saying. He looked at.
No, he said hungry. All right.
He said hungry.
Name it. No, wait. No, he got it. Nobody's cheating. All right, listen. Name a country that start with K.
Tanzania.
Come on, fool. Hey, that's my.
Hey, Tanzania. No, you said Tanzania.
No. I said Kenya.
No, Modu is the winner. You said Tanzania.
No, but he didn't count 5.
Yeah, Baba, that was more than 5 seconds.
No.
Baba, you did.
That did not count. Thank you. That did not count. Thank you, bro.
No. He said Tanzania. I was like, there's no country like Tanzania.
You think
Kenya.
I was an arrow, but I was an arrow.
All right. Name a country that start with A.
Algeria or Argentina.
All right. Another round. Modu is in. Last is in. All right. Now, name a country that start with E.
Israel.
Huh?
Israel.
Israel? As in E?
5. England. Egypt.
England? No. England was mentioned.
But I said Israel.
Baba is the judge. Baba is the judge. Yeah, why are you rooting for your friend right here? Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. One more. One more.
He happy. No, he happy.
Okay. Okay. Mode is in. Mode is in. But no, he said. No. And then he said Egypt.
I got 5 seconds. I got 5 seconds.
No. Nobody help.
5 seconds.
Wait. Yeah, guys. Omar. Yeah, everybody move. Yeah. All right, let's go. Last. Name a country that starts with I. Ireland is already mentioned.
What you mean, island? Who mentioned it?
Somebody is not him in the round. Name a country that starts with I. Letter I. Israel. All right. Hey, I need to slap somebody with that. I need to slap somebody. Let's go. Name a country that starts with G. You can mention Gambia. You can mention Ghana.
5, 4, 3, 2,
All right.
Last one. If you get it, you get it. And name a country that starts with I. You can mention Israel. You can mention Ireland. There's no rules.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No.
That's over. There's Iran. All right, another one. What is in?
Why you keep saying
No, there's no rules. Let's go. Name a country that starts with E.
5, 4,
Don't say nothing.
3, 2,
Let me
1.
Name a country, you get a different letter again. Yo. No cheating. No going.
So what?
Name a country that starts with T. You can mention Tanzania, you can mention Kazakhstan or something. Go.
5, 4,
Turkey.
All right. Yeah!
Turkey, yes.
What do you have?